The next loop that we are going to discuss now is do until loop. This do until loop is very similar to do while loop, and the only difference is that this loop is executed until a certain condition becomes true, whereas do while executed till the certain condition is true. The difference is of is true and becomes true. Do until will keep on going until the condition becomes true. That is, the do until loop will be executing itself until the condition, specified condition, is false, whereas do while executed itself until the condition is true. So note down the difference, that the difference is only of the test condition. Do while will go on until the test condition is true. Do until will go on until the test condition is false. So let us see the syntax. First we need to write do until. We need to give the test condition. We need to give the statement. And then we need to write the loop statement to execute that. So you can see the example, CLS A equals to 4. A is equals to 4. What has to be done? Do until A is greater than 15. This is that the loop should go on till the value of the variable A is greater than 15. What has to be done? The value of the A is to be printed. Print A. After this, the value of A is to be increased by how much? By 4. A equals to A plus 4, and the loop has to be executed till this condition is false. Till you are getting the values which are greater than 15. As soon as the values which are greater than A, until the value of A will become less than 15, the execution will stop itself. So let us see the output for this. The very first value that was given for the counter value variable A was 4. So it is written over here 4. And then it was said 4 plus 4. That means counter value, that is A's value plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. It is less than 15. So it is 8 printed, and then again 8 plus 4 is 12, so 12 is printed again. And after this, if we go, 12 plus 4 is what? 16. And 16 is not the condition that we have specified. We have specified only till 15. So therefore we will get only 3 values in this case, that is 4, 8 and 12. So similarly, other examples are given there. You can understand them. If you find any difficulty, you can call and ask me. We move on to our next loop. The next loop is while when loop. This while when loop also continues, a loop continues until the expression is false. So you can make use of any of the loop that are given in the chapters according to the required conditions. Now what is the syntax for the while when? We have to write while, we have to give the test condition, we have to give the statement, and then we have to write when to repeat this. CLS let number equals to 10. You have got a variable and the name of the variable is number, that is 10. While number is less than equals to 50, this loop will keep on going. Print number. What has to be done? Number is to be printed. Number equals to number plus 10, then the value of the number will be increased, and when will execute this statement again. So let us see the output. As soon as this gets executed, while let number equals to 10, the initial value of the number is 10. While number is less than equals to 50, we saw that the value of the number is 10. So the condition that you can see is still false. It has not reached the value of 50. So print number. Therefore this value got printed over here. Then it is written number equals to number plus 10. Your number was 10 and 10 plus 10 is 20. So therefore this got printed over here. Again when checked the condition that still the value is not greater than 50, neither it is equals to 50. So now the value, again print number 20 was printed. Now next number plus 10, 20 plus 10 is 30. Now again it will go and check over here that still the value is not greater than 50, it is less than 50. So print number 30 got printed. Similarly 30 plus 10 is 40, 40 plus 10 is 50. Now this was the last value. Number equals to num plus 10. Now if suppose it becomes 50 plus 10, it is 60. When it will go up, it will check that the condition becomes true. Now the number's value has become 60, which is greater than 50, which is greater than 50. So it can't execute it because the last value that we expected was less than 50 or equal to 50. So this loop got terminated and the last value that we got is 50. Here in the whole chapter, I have not explained you the meaning of variables and constants because already in your class 6th you have learned all this. Therefore, I have not explained them. But still, if somebody do not know anything about these terms, can please contact and ask me. And we move on to the last command of the chapter, that is exit command. Exit, as the name suggests, you all know exit means to go out. So when we have to go out, when we have to terminate a loop, we write exit command. This command is used to exit from the loop, that is to come out from the loop while execution of loop before expected number of execution. When you need to end up a program, when you need to end up the execution of a loop, we will write exit command, and it can be used with either for or do, any type of loops it can be used with. You can see the example. Here in the example, it is written for number equals to 1 to 6. We have taken a variable number and the values are 1 to 6. Print num. If num equals to 4, that is if the value of number has become 4, then exit 4. As soon as the value becomes 4, no matter you have given over here 1 to 6, but it will not print till 6. 5 and 6 will not be printed. Why? Because here it is written if number equals to 4, then exit 4. That means come out of the for loop. As soon as the value of the number becomes 4, come out of the for loop. That is why we have got only 1, 2, 3 and 4, because exit was used. So if you need to come out of a loop in between, you will make use of the exit statement. You will make use of the exit command. So this was all about this chapter. If you have any queries, please call or you can send messages to me. I will try to answer your queries. And it's a request that when you prepare for your exams, kindly go thoroughly in between the chapters, read did you know part as well as let us recall that is given at the end of the chapter. This is going to be a great help to all of you for your exams. Thank you.